Hello. Today I'm showing you how to make a rice cake. Chinese called niangao with purple yam filling. Kind of like Chinese mochi. This is your filling, and outside the wrapper made out of sticky rice. Look at the color. We peel first. Love this color. So pretty. And the filling will be all purple. My kids love this. Look at the pretty color right here. I like to cut them smaller pieces so they steam faster. Look at this beautiful color. Today I use 200-gram purple yam. If for me, I make a double recipe because I have a lot of kids. Then we steam until soft. Let's do this. Close the lid, put on the steamer. The purple yam is ready, so we take it out and put it in this bowl. We're gonna smash them. Look at the texture here. Now we mash the purple yam. I have to say again, this is my exercise of the day. Cooking actually is a very good exercise, to say. I need some help to mash this. Okay. Okay. Harder. My clue. What do you think? Not twins. Okay. So next, I like some condensed milk. 1 tablespoon. Add in here. So sticky. Don't waste food. Good. Very good. So the wrapper made out of glutinous rice flour, just like a mochi. So we call niangao rice cake. We only eat rice cake. I used to be just during Chinese New Year, but now you can eat anytime. I only need 100 grams. Let's see, yeah, perfect. So now here, we are making a dough. So now you got this dough. So we divided this in 6 pieces. Each one is around 30 grams. Okay. Look at that. Make a little bowl. So we can make the first one. We push it down, make it flat. Push it down, make it flat. It's like a dumpling wrapper. Here's the purple yam filling. Take a scoop. We just wrap this in. We just fold, close this. We push it flat, bigger shape. If it's too dry, wet your hands. Push it down, like a little mochi. We heat the pan, then canola oil. We use this canola oil a lot in Sichuan. It's a very common oil, it doesn't have much flavor, so don't interfere with the food. So we would use this for stir fry, cooking, everything a lot. We put the rice cake in, 3 first. Turn it over, I turn the heat on medium. Get a little bit of golden brown, see that? Ooh. Let's flip, oh, not bad. Not bad. Now it's on medium low. I add tiny bit of water. A little bit of water. Ooh, just a little steam like that. I can smell this. Ooh. Use chopsticks to cook. Flip over. Let's taste this. Cut this one. Whoa, so sticky. It's like a mochi. Let's take a bite. It's really good. Soft and chewy. And this half is for you. So if you like my rice cake, please subscribe, smash, maybe not smash, tap the like button with the chopstick. I will see you next time. 再见。